We'll explore Nifty's potential for back-to-back gains, fueled by last week's positive close and key economic data releases. We'll also dive into the Hindenburg report controversy and highlight stocks to watch, including standout Q1 results. The positive takeaway from last week's trading was that both Wall Street and Dalal Street ended a wild week with a win. Positive note in Friday's trade. The big question, can Nifty notch a back-to-back win in Monday's session? Looking ahead, this week has the potential to be another volatile one for Nifty and its stocks. Indeed. 1. The highly anticipated July US Consumer Price Index (CPI) report will be released Wednesday. Bullish traders will be watching anxiously to see if the recent trend lower in inflation will continue. 2. The July US retail sales report is scheduled for release on 15 August 2024. But this Monday morning, keeping traders glued to the trading screen will the weekend Hindenburg research report, which has alleged that SEBI chairperson Madhvi Puri Bach and her husband of having a stake in certain offshore entities which were used in the Adani Group. The SEBI chairperson and her husband issued a joint statement denying all charges by Hindenburg Research, the US best short seller. Long story short, if Friday's bullish trading action is any indication, then any lower open will be an opportunity to initiate long positions with long-term perspective. Among stocks, we like Jyoti CNC Automation Limited with a 12 to 15 months perspective. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, both FIIs and DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 407 crores and 3950 crores respectively. Sentiments continue to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still indicating rebound play from oversold zone. Fando August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 15.33 levels. Nifty PCR, 29 August, is at 1.47 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28 August, is at 0.90. Nifty outlook, bullish day out. Nifty, CMP to 4368. Support, 24,200 to 24,100. Resistance, 24,500 to 24,600. Range, 24,200 to 24,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 50485. Support, 50,200 to 50,000. Resistance, 50,600 to 50,800. Range, 50,200 to 50,800. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty's Friday's rebound indicates that the best part of bullishness at our stock markets are that they are not reacting to any terrible headlines in any negative manner for more than one day. 1. In Friday's trade, Ola Electric shares made a stunning stock market debut, jumping 20% and locked in upper circuit at Rs 91. 2. Trend jumped 11%, scaling new all-time high at Rs 63.74 after reporting 133% YoY jump in its standalone PBT at 450 crore rupees in June 2024 quarter, Q1 FY25. 3. Lupin, plus 3%, 2114, hit its 52-week high at 2,125 rupees per share on reporting a whopping 77.2% YoY increase in PAT for Q1 FY25, reach ING rupees 801 crore. 4. Aurobindo Pharma Q1 FY25 net profit jumps 61% to 919 rupees CR. 5. That said, sale dropped 6% after its Q1 net profit tumbled 62% to 82 crore rupees, missed street estimates by a mile. Q1 results to trickle in today: AIA Engineering, Balrampur Chini, BPCL, Sera, Idea, Natoko Pharma, Nalco, NMDC, Senco Gold, SJVN, Voltas.